Alright, got another early morning fun one. This is a 6 to 10 a.m. time window. And I just had to plan this out right when everybody's trying to get to work on this fast and furious road here. I got a really good break in traffic. So, one pick off the truck, gotta hurry up to get out of the way. I'm gonna leave my stickers and get out of the way first. And I gotta go back and grab my stickers. All right. I got lucky with the traffic there. They're on the backside there. Yeah. Thank you. I just gotta grab the photos real quick and you're all set.
That's fine.
That's all I had for you today.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So for the next one, I think we're gonna order 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I know where you're at now, so that's good.
Yeah.
It's not a terrible spot. Just
Yeah. No. Do you know what?
this time in the morning is a little scary.
Yeah. No.
You get good breaks in traffic, so that helps.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Okay.
You're all set.
Okay.
You guys have a good day.
You too.
All right. So to hurry up and get back on the truck here. Got another herd of traffic coming. I got my cone set out, so fortunately I got a bike lane right here helping me out. If I didn't have the bike lane, it'd have been a little worse, but I mean, that's as good as it's gonna get for a highway delivery. It's not really a highway, it's just the main road. All right. Well, that's it. I gotta pick up my cones, hook my Moffett up, and that'll be it for that one. So the first thing I do is I plug my, when I get the Moffett back on the truck, you gotta plug the Moffett in, get your lights going, get the pigtail in, and then from there, people can see my my flashers. So I'm gonna pick up my cones. Now all I gotta do is hook the Moffett up on the chains and I can get out of here. But that's it for another fun, quick one on a NASCAR type road in old California here. So give me a like or subscribe, and then give me a comment if you like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.